Hello, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to create a sequence in Adobe Premiere. This may be your first time using Adobe Premiere and you don't know how to do it. I will now show you how to do it. So, start Adobe Premiere, press File, New, Sequence. In front of us is a list of sequences with different parameters. For the customize edit parameters, we can go to the tab Settings. Here we can change the resolution, change the number of frames per second, and much more. Choose what we want and click OK. And that's it. If you were wondering how to create a sequence in Adobe Premiere, this is the easiest way I know. If you know no way, please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.